Hey everybody, I have ran into what seems to be infamous problem with a smart car of the left turn signal and left brake light not working, but the running light's working. And I have checked the bulb, the fuses, and the relays, and everything checked out good. So I seen a few forums online where people had ran into this problem, and I never saw any comments that it had been resolved. So I thought I would share what I found to maybe help somebody save a few steps. So if I turn on my blinker, I'm using the right hand side as an example since everything works. With the bulb out, in order to find which of my two prongs were lighting up my bulb, I know it's this bottom one. So I can go here with a test light, simple test light, and I've got lights. So to figure out what my light was, come back here and I checked all of these wires and I found it to be that guy. And it is green and yellow or black and yellow. It's a little bit faded, but it is that guy right there. So anyhow, I come over to this other side and I'd done the same test, executed the same thing, except for the wire is black and white on the side. It did light up in this plug and lit my test light up, but I could not get it to light up in the bulb socket at all. So I jumped that wire out with just a piece of scrap 14 gauge from my harness and shoved it into the holder that feeds that little terminal there, which I am going to permanently solder here in a few minutes. But anyhow, I can now go in here, touch my top piece. Actually, should probably change my direction here because it's the left that's not working. So I'm gonna switch, go to the left side. And if you'll notice, that really fast clicking goes away immediately because we have eliminated the short now. I'm gonna go in and touch that terminal where that bulb rests. It's lighting right up. Now, I'm not sure if you can buy this whole housing here, this assembly, and if that would fix that. I know that's probably something hard to get and would be inevitable. You would have to replace it at some point. But if this is your problem and this is your fix, I'm going to silicone this wire nut to protect it from moisture and things, since it's going to be in that little cubby there. And I'm going to permanently solder that wire on that terminal. And that is going to be my permanent fix until it gives way again. So anyway, that might help save somebody from some steps, and I hope it helps save somebody from ordering this assembly or those relays, because they seem to be very hard to get and you may not have to do that. So thanks for watching. Hope it helps somebody.